Okay, so the purpose of today is to take our psych experiment and now publish it for students, staff, and community members to see what we've been up to at Heel High School. And I took our announcements experiment that we've been running and that I've been using these tutorials for and did a publication. And there's a few things that I would like you to consider putting into your publication. I would like you to think about including an attention grabber. In the case of mine, this announcements I feel is an attention grabber. Also, I have kind of in a large position that are we conditioned to stand for the announcements in the morning. I would also like a picture. Mine, because I was not in the library as you guys were, I chose to just find a group of students that were saying the Pledge of Allegiance because my test subjects did not know that they were being tested except for when they were stating the pledge. And then just a summary of an experiment, like maybe try to think of the what, why, and the how of how you tested. Please include some findings, maybe a graphic to kind of help people see what you did, and then a conclusion statement. So I'm going to put those away for a moment. Let's just do that. What I have for mine, if you can see the attention grabber, I have that it was by us. And what we did, how we came up with the idea as a class, we noticed about people standing, and we wanted to just run an experiment about why people stood. And right down here, I shared actually what we did for the experiment, and I said, do you remember the announcements being different for a few days? And then how we came up with the idea, how we came up with the test. And if we were trying to find if when the bell rang as the announcements came on, if that was the catalyst for people to stand, or if it was when the students started speaking for the announcements. And what I did was I actually just listed our 2 days of testing. You guys would not have this, but because that was really my only clear data, that's what I chose to put in. And I have my conclusion. Students stand at Good Morning Keel High, not when the announcement bells ring. I kind of give a really small to the point conclusion. I also included a little bit of my data. I mentioned up here that this is some random data. I did not test this for 20 days as it states. But that it is the percentage of classrooms that would stand when they said Good Morning Keel High, and included my data. So purpose behind this, the goal is to share with the public what we've been doing, to give them an idea of what your experiment was about, and to make you a little bit accountable for your experiment. So hopefully you enjoy. I hope that psych experiments went great for you, and thank you.